Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you are all doing well. I have some incredible news to share with you today. We are going to start a Python short course specifically designed for matric and intermediate level students. And guess what? The course we are going to start will be on site in Aspire College, Chunian. For those of you who have some free time after your exams, this course is a golden opportunity to enhance your programming capabilities. Python is considered one of the most important and top programming language in the world, and learning it can truly make difference in your future. In my opinion, everyone should consider taking this course. Python skills are in high demand, and it will undoubtedly benefit you in different ways. Don't miss this opportunity. Remember, learning Python is a step towards unlocking endless possibilities. Thank you for your attention, and I will catch you in next update.